Unleash your inner artist without spending a dime. Let's dive into the incredible world of Leonardo AI and see what amazing art you can create completely for free. First, head over to Leonardo AI in your browser if you don't have one already. Click Create an Account and follow the simple sign-up process using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. Notice the token counter at the top. These tokens are your fuel for generating images, and Leonardo AI gives you a generous daily allowance for free. Now, let's get creative. Click on AI Image Generation on the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a text box. This is where you write your prompt, describing the image you want to create. Be as descriptive as possible. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand your vision. For example, you could write, "A majestic dragon soaring above a snow-capped mountain, fantasy art." Next, explore the different models available. Leonardo Diffusion is a great starting point, but feel free to experiment with others to achieve different styles. Fine-tune your image by adjusting settings like the number of images you want to generate at once, the image dimensions, and the guidance scale, which controls how closely the AI follows your prompt. Ready? Hit that Generate button. The AI will now work its magic, and you'll see your creations appear in just a few moments. Once the images are ready, you can download your favorites, delete the ones you don't like, or even upscale them for higher resolution. Don't forget to explore the community feed for inspiration, and to see what other free users are creating. You can even remix their prompts and styles to jumpstart your own artistic journey. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Leonardo AI and unlock your creative potential today, all without spending a single penny. Be sure to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials.